Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file into a blank database. I've already created a blank database file and saved it. The next thing we'll do is click on the external data. Here in the external data, I want you to pay attention that there are two sections, the export and import. Since now we are importing a CSV file, you need to go to the section that says new data source. This configuration can be different from settings, and depending on settings it can be different from one system to another. The most important thing is that you will distinguish between export and import. So click on the new source. Here we have different options. You can import Excel file and other files as well. In this case we are importing a CSV file, and a CSV file is a type of text file. So click on the text file. Following that, you will be popped up with a wizard that says get external data. In case you make a mistake, check on this one. Now, since I'm satisfied with this, the next thing I will do is browsing the file. I wanted this file to be imported. So what you need to do is locate the browsing into the location where your file is saved. Click on this one and then open. After doing that, click OK. Next, you will be popped up with the import text wizard. The delimited is by default selected. Since this is a CSV file, it is comma separated, so I will leave it as that. Next, in this section we will do some other adjustments. The comma separated will be left as that, it's comma separated. One thing I want you to pay attention here is if you left this one not ticked, it's going to add, Microsoft Access is going to add a separate row on top of this one as a head, so keep this one ticked. Next, in this section you can make a few adjustments in case you have a requirement. For example, if each field needs to be set to a specific data type, in that case you can make this adjustment here. Next, click the primary key. There are three options. If you want Microsoft Access to add a primary key for you, it will do it automatically, as you can see here in this case. Or if you want to choose your own one, you click on choose on my own primary key. Since our table already has a primary key, that's a staff ID, when I click that, it's automatically selected. You can also choose not to set a primary key by choosing no primary key. After this, click on next. Here we can see that the table will be named as the original file name. I'll keep it as that, then finish. Close. Our CSV file has been imported into a table with the same name. Double clicking on it and opening, you can see that this is our CSV file looks like. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more such easy tutorials, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.